This brief tutorial will show you how to find news sources using the Opposing Viewpoints database. Access the database Opposing Viewpoints from the library homepage. Enter the search terms into your search box. We'll be searching the opioid crisis, the results set breaks down our content types. Click on News. If you want to find news within a particular publication, click on Publication Title. Let's look for the New York Times. Select the New York Times and apply. Now my results set has been updated to reflect content that is only from the New York Times. Click on the title to access the content. You can use different search techniques within the simple search box. In addition to the phrase searching we used, we can also build searches with Boolean operators and use nesting. I've entered opioid, and I'm combining that with the terms use or abuse or misuse to broaden my search. Be very careful that you don't scroll over the drop-down or it will change to whatever is there. It is hypersensitive, I find, so you want to be very careful to go over and click on the search spyglass. Again, apply news. And be aware that you can limit to certain publication dates, certain subject areas to narrow your search, or document types. So whether you want an article, a brief article, a letter to the editor, you can narrow your result set. Another approach to searching this database, other than using the Boolean operators and constructing search strings with search technique, is to look at a very broad topic and then use the subjects filter to drill down. For example, this database brings together issues of interest. It highlights them on the first page, and then it breaks it down into different categories, but you can go ahead and browse all available issues. Look through the list and see if there is something of interest. Within the list, I found an entry for the opioid crisis, and when you click on a topical area, you're brought to an overview page. So it looks a little bit different than the search results we got when we constructed a search string in the search box. But if you scroll down below, you'll see those familiar results. If you want to go ahead and read more, you can get background information on your topic. And this is what the database has brought together. It's actually a citable page. It's filled with information to fill in gaps of knowledge that you have, but it also provides you with a stimulus for thinking about your topic, other ways to look at it, in ways you might not have yet thought about it. The overview page also provides a list of related subjects. These subjects are hyperlinked, and you can run a search in the database by clicking on them. You can also run a search in the search box on the term. And we have our familiar results page. Now, use the subject filter to drill down to a more specific area. Sometimes when we search this way, as opposed to the search string, we get a broader result set, and some students find this very helpful when their search strings are not fruitful. This is just another approach. Neither way is incorrect, but be certain to apply your publication date limiter as necessary and your publication title if that's important to your search. If you need further help on accessing or searching a library database, consult your subject-specific research guide. And don't hesitate to contact your librarian.